Flowers. I joined Tower of Hell yesterday and heard some weird noises. I thought it was just an audio problem on my iPad at first, but when I started to play and died, I discovered it was the new death sound in Roblox. Earlier I remember someone said that the oof sound was being removed, but I thought it was a joke, but it's true. I just can't remember which social media app it was on, and where it is, so I can't show you the picture. The new death sound sounds like a man sneezing. I don't know why lol. Anyways, RIP oof sound. We'll miss you? Until next time, bye flowers.